Hi guys, in this video I will share with you how to control time spent on TikTok. What you need to do, first just go to TikTok app and then click on profile. After that click on in the three lines on the top right and then digital well-being and then screen time management. Just click here and here set a time limit 60 minutes. Just click here and then you can select the time 40 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, now 40 minutes. Just click here yeah, it's done now. It's 40 minutes. This is what you need to do if you want to control time spent on TikTok. I hope this video is helpful and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.